Yeah, the biology program at DSU is very flexible and student-centered. So students can come here with desires to be a park ranger, a medical doctor, a researcher, and they can all be served by the biology program. Previously, the biology department and the exercise science department were relatively siloed, and there was little interaction between the departments. With some changes in faculty and different emphases in the program, recent emphases, we decided to be more collaborative and work together on a degree program that allows students to double major in exercise science and biology.
We have classes that specialize in ecology, kind of natural resource management, where the focus is preparing students to get jobs at, for example, South Dakota Game Fish and Parks or Natural Resource Conservation Service.
The minute you got into the biology department, you met the professors, everybody just felt like they were home for you. They truly cared about you and who you are. I tell everyone that I ever see that they know your name, they know who you are, they know your major, they know what you want to do someday. And I think that's the biggest thing that sets DSU apart.
For the ecology types of classes, we do a lot of field trips where we go out in the field and we collect data using the latest technologies or the scientific instrumentation that's most appropriate for whatever question we're asking. So we're able to see ecology in action. I like to give all of my classes, even Biology 101, which they're non-majors. I like to bring them all out in the field so they can see what we're talking about when we're talking about grasslands or we're talking about native vegetation. They can actually see the vegetation. It's an experience that a lot of students have never had and they don't get in college a lot of times unless they're in the ecology field.
I think for me, I enjoy the one-on-one and interactive attention that you get. You get to come in and you have smaller class sizes, so you get to utilize resources that people at other universities don't have.
This is a unique program to the state of South Dakota. There are no other biology and exercise science programs so well aligned. Students that would really benefit from these programs are students that want to go on those pre-health careers. So if you want to be a physical therapist or a medical doctor or a PA, this program is right for you.